Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get $50 off Uber promo code. For that, you need to come to this website that is called coupons.com, and here you need to search for Uber Eats. Now, once you are able to find Uber Eats, you simply need to click on it. After clicking on Uber Eats, you will be able to see all of the coupon codes that are currently available for it. So as you can see that currently 6 offers are available. So you just have to simply choose the offer in which you are interested. After selecting it, you just have to simply click on get deal, and then it will show you the coupon code in front of you if it is available. If not, then you just have to simply click on go to store, and whichever discount or the promo code that you have selected will be available at the time of the checkout on Uber Eats. So once you are on ubereats.com, you just have to select your restaurant. You just have to select the items that you want to get. After that, you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to easily avail the Uber Eats promo codes. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.